just celebrating a building or a decade on a calendar. We're celebrating thousands of lives touched and the relentless dedication of this staff.
Today's a really special day for us here at the Federico Peña Clinic. We are celebrating 10 years of being here in Southwest Denver in this beautiful space, providing great care for the community and our patients.
To be here to celebrate 10 years of this center gives me so much joy.
Quality care is not just for some, pero para todos, for everyone. That's what this is about.
I think today celebrates just a moment of reflection and what we could do in the next 10 years.
We have family medicine, we have internal medicine, we have pediatrics, we have OB, we have pharmacy and x-ray and urgent care and dental, of course, and integrated behavioral health, and it's all under one roof.
We've built really good relationships with a lot of the people who live in the neighborhood, our patients, and we really feel like a part of the community. So 10 years in, we really feel like we're a part of this area.
10 years ago, this didn't exist. People didn't have access to this resource. Where were they getting care? What was going on? What was being missed? And so I just think it really is critically important to the people who live here, and our doors are open for them every day.
In 2014, we were able to purchase this property. It was actually an abandoned Albertsons warehouse that had been vacant for a long time. The neighborhood was excited, I think, when we bought it and they knew we'd be opening a health center here.
Since opening in 2016, 135,129 patients have made 867,352 visits for primary care, dental services, integrated behavioral health, and urgent care. A busy place for certain.
40,000 Vietnamese people live around this area. I flew all the way back from Houston just to be here, to join with all of the former colleagues or all my friends to be here to help them to celebrate this 10 years.
For folks to draw a picture of what is community, what does Federico Peña Clinic mean to you? And I want to invite up one of our winners.
This center is one of 10 that are part of Denver Health, integrated with the downtown hospital. No other major city in the United States has that. I've had shoulder surgery here, one operation. My first two children were born at Denver Health, because I wanted people to know that I trusted Denver Health. And the more people who come to Denver Health, whether in the neighborhood clinics or downtown, they all walk away saying, what great care. Best in the city.
Happy birthday to the Peña Clinic. Thank you, everybody.